channel. This is Kalyani Shane and today I'm back with another product review. If you are new to my channel, then welcome to you, and if you are already a subscriber, welcome back. If you're not a subscriber, then I really don't know why you are not my subscriber. Please be there, subscribe for more fun. Okay, so before I jump into the video, there is something I want to talk about. The first thing is there's a lot of people who are showing great love, great support to me. Thank you, love you. May God bless you. May God give you all the happiness in this world. And there are some people, as usual, who are haters, who are sending me hate mails, hate messages. To them, guys, you boost up my confidence. You're making me realize that at least something, I've made something out of my life that you guys have a reason to hate me. So keep hating. That is what, gives me a bigger smile in my face. So the product I'm talking about looks like this. It's a Revolution, Makeup Revolution London Iconic Blush, Bronze and Brighten. The shade is Moldo. The box looks like this. The ingredients are given here. The MRP is 850 rupees. So the palette looks like this. It comes in a glossy black casing. It has blusher, bronzer and illuminator. That's what it says. That's what is written above. It looks like this. This is a glossy casing and I love glossy casings. And here it is. It is a bronzer, illuminator and a blush, which is great. There's a mirror given over here, which is a plus for me. I love palettes which have mirror, so I don't have to carry another extra mirror for that. It don't have an applicator, but that is really okay with me because anyway, I'm not going to use the applicator they provide because in most of the cases they are not as good as I want. Now, if you're someone who like me, who likes to travel light and carry multi-utility products in one single palette, this is the palette for you. I really like the idea of having 3 products in one single palette. Most of the time we have one eyeshadow palette, one blush palette, or one blush, one highlighter palette, and you just have to hunt up things while going out, or you have to carry a lot of stuff while going out. And you can just carry one palette and it will serve 3 purposes, which is great. So as you can see, I've just done my foundation, lipstick and eye makeup, nothing else, just to create a look with this. So I'm starting with the bronzer. It's a very nice orangey brown, which I love. I don't know if you can actually see the bronzing effect because it's totally mixing up with my foundation and becoming my own skin tone. I don't know how, but it is so near to my skin color that visibility of this is reducing to a certain extent. So now I'll start with the blush, the peachy pink color, which I love. Wow, this is a very light brush. Very variable shades in this Moldo palette. I don't know about the other palettes because I haven't tried it, but this is a very variable shade. You can wear it every day. It's not that it will not pop out, yet it will give you a very subtle glow, subtle blush. Now the best part, the illuminator. This is something I really love and I'm using my favorite brush. I just love this brush also. Stir, baby, stopping. It's all you need for stopping. See that glow? I think I've done a little extra. Indian climate, we are always illuminating due to sweat, due to oil, and a little touch up with the blush and bronze makes. I wish the bronzer is a little darker, but it's not. It's okay. It's very subtle. It's kind of mixing up with my skin color and becoming my own skin color. So It's very hard to notice, but the blush and the illuminator is wham, bang on. Overall, the palette is great within this price and multi-utility. Of course, you can buy it in any other shades if you want to, according to your skin color, and you can use it as eyeshadows also. This orangey brown is great for eyeshadow. This is kind of a transition color. That's what they say, right? Yeah, this is kind of a transition, and this can be used as a highlighter over here. Actually, I'll show you. So you can use this color as a highlighter and for highlighting the inner corners of your eyes. And wow, I just love the illuminator. Wow, this palette is a big thumbs up. I will definitely recommend this. Bling bling, love it. I'll definitely recommend this within this price, this kind of utility palette in India. Overall, it's a great palette for travelers, especially people who travels and who love to do makeup like me. This is a great palette for travelers. This is a great palette for beginners. This is a great palette for anyone who likes to have a light purse. It's multifunctional. It's great for the beginners. Maybe the professionals are not that happy with this because it gives a very subtle glow, very subtle illuminating. Illuminator is popping, but the blush and the bronzer is very subtle, very soft, very wearable for day-to-day use. It's great for everyday use. I won't say it's a great palette for creating dramatic looks, but it's great for everyday use, and you can just carry one piece in your bag and you're done with 4 or 5 items. The only two things which is a little negative about this palette is, one is the applicator is missing, which may be a problem for some people but not for me, of course. And another one is the bronzer. The bronzer could have a little more pigmentation, so that we don't have to go for another bronzer, or darker color may have a better pigmentation. I don't know. I bought the Smolder palette and I bought it online, so I was unable to check the colors, or I was unable to swatch the colors before buying. This is not available in drugstore, so availability is another point. You have to buy it online. So overall, it's a great palette. I will definitely recommend it after using it, after having the first impression. My first impression is great with this palette, and that's all for now. I hope you really like this video and this video becomes a little bit useful for you while buying this palette. And if you want me to do more and more videos like this, do like, do subscribe, do show love, show support. Love ya, bye bye, stay stylish, take care. Mwah.